basic steps. So eventually, after you learn the basic step, and you will have a partner later. Okay, you don't need partner right now. So the basic step, let's have warm up, everybody. So we'll start with the right. All we need to do is just march. So I don't believe people saying I cannot dance, I have two left feet. That's not true. As long as you're walking and you know how to march, you will dance. Okay, start, ready, and go. March, march, march. March, march, march. And march, march, march. Now after the march, we're gonna add tap. Ready? And march, march, march on top. 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 Now we're gonna move to the right and left with this march, march on top. Ready? And go. March, march, march on top. March, march, march on top. March, march, and go to the left. March and tap. March, 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 tap. March, 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 tap. Let's try this with the music. Tell me how music. Okay, then. Let's try the place first. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, go. March, march, and tap. 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 March, march. Now, ready for going to the right and front. 6, 7, go. March, march, and tap. March, march, and tap.
Mi cuerpo híbrido, en tu carpeta se la ventana y que va, no soy tu hijo, pero está bueno, ya no sigo, a mis años no me luce, ir corriendo tras tu juventud, ay que sabio te odio y por eso yo te entiendo y por ti.
Now, the tricky part, I think all girls gonna love this one. So while we're doing basic, we're gonna march on the top, we're gonna throw our hip to the side. Okay? Let's try with in place. Ready? And march, march, and throw the hip on the top. March, march, and top. March, march, and top. March, march, and top. March, march, and hip here. March, march, and hip. March, march, and hip. Now, let's do it also on traveling to the side. So throw that hip as high as you can. Burn that kind of rolls. Okay, ready? And go. March, march, and hip. March, march, and hip. And then tap here while we tap. Hip, march, march, and hip. March, march, and hip. Now, let's do it with music. Ready? Ready? So while you're doing the top, throw your hip
Chanel.
up. For all the girls.
Go this way. Yeah. Good.
Cuida tus sueños, y si un día tienes sueños, seas
5, 6, 7, go. March, march, and hip. March, march, and hip. March, march, and hip.
para que alguien más cuando
Hip, march, march,
ahora
and
seas
hip. Now we're turning to right of this. March, march, and 5, 6 to the right. March, march, and hip. March, march, and hip. March, march, hip. March, march, hip. March, march, hip. March, march, and very good. Now let's do it with the hands. Okay? Girls, we want our hands to move. Okay, so while we're doing our side, so 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, hands. 1. So same hip and the hand. They will hip up and then hands up. 1, 2, up. Walk, walk, and tap. Let's try the treble as well. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, up.
1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay. Then let's try with music. Like a Chinese music.
canción y fue imposible, no logré nada. Dejan que cada fecha me convertí en sola y que va, no me llamas. Hasta ahora en silencio.
So, all you have to do is to march, march, and tap, march, march, and tap. With all the speeding, we will need a partner, and you have to go to our studio. For all the speeding that we showed you earlier, we will teach you that in our studio. But right now, just